All right. What's up, tycoons? What's up, traders? Super excited to bring this video update on RXD. This is Radiant. Man, did we get a perfect breakout? We were looking at this cup and handle. I gave you guys the three main levels down here to watch for support. We ended up holding these levels as support and getting a breakout past our breakout level in blue, coming up and hitting our bullish price targets. Okay. So we're going to actually take a look real quick. And if you see on the video that I posted, right, we can take a look, and this was a couple weeks ago, and we see we're tracking that cup and handle pattern. We have the three main levels right here, and we have our breakout levels to the upside, and sure enough, we do end up getting those. So we'll go ahead and break down the price action today so that you can understand what possibly is in store in the future on Radiant. So make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and we'll go ahead and hop right into the video. So as I said, we were watching this cup and handle pattern. Okay, so we have our cup here. We ended up getting a nice handle, and we did ultimately break out past our breakout level and come up and hit our bullish price targets, right? Now we have pulled back, and there's three main levels we need to watch for the pullback to see if we can continue to rally higher or if this is a reversal. So the way this works, right, is we'll go ahead and break down the strategy for you guys. Is what you do is you can use the Fibonacci retracement level to get these three levels: the 382, the 0.5, and the 618. These are the three most common retracement levels that there is, and the most well-respected retracement levels there are. Now, the reason being, you pay attention to these is because it lets you know if you're in a healthy retracement to continue the trend, right? So in this case, we have our swing low connected to our swing high. We see we have this rally up to the upside. We get a healthy retracement and then a continuation of the trend. If you were to break through these levels, then that's when you have a reversal. So it's very good for identifying possible reversals or possible trend continuations, right? And you can also use the fib strategy to get yourself some bullish price targets or bearish price targets to the upside or downside, which is what we did over here. And we ended up hitting those bullish price targets. But notice how we're combining a couple of strategies right now. So in this case, what I mean is we have our cup right here and we're waiting for a handle, and we end up getting our handle. And what does it do is it follows and respects our three main retracement levels, right? We come down, we very shortly trade below it, and then the very next day we pop right back up above it, okay? And a lot of times this is what's known as drawing liquidity. And what happens is market makers and, people who, really control a lot of the price action, they need to be able to buy in at the prices they want. So what happens is people's stop losses get triggered, and they drive the price lower, whether people have a trailing stop loss or a set stop loss or a stop limit or things like that on. They're gonna be able to purchase the assets that they want and the tokens or stocks that they want by triggering these stop losses and continuing to move higher. So again, we see a big push up, a healthy retracement, and then a continuation of the trend, and we make new highs, and we come in here and we hit our bullish price targets, right? Look at how well it hits the fib levels on the bullish price targets. We end up topping out right up over here. So what we're doing now is we're measuring our swing low to our swing high again to see if this is a healthy retracement or a possible reversal, right? So we have our swing low connected up to our swing high, and we see we have this sharp move to the upside. We're coming down, we're retracing, and if we hold these levels, most likely we're going to get a breakout back to the upside again as we previously have. Now, none of this is financial advice. This is all informational and more educational so that you can start to learn some of the strategies you can use to actually trade crypto on a day-to-day or swing trade basis. But currently, we're going to be looking at, again, the 382, the 5, and the 618 retracement levels. If we break our 618 retracement level, most likely we're going to get a reversal, right? So if we come down here and we consolidate for a little bit and ultimately we break this key level right here, we're going to get a reversal and head back down to the lows right here or to our previous levels down here. But if we hold these levels, then we have the chance of a trend continuation, and we really just need to take out our highs that are right over here on the chart. If we can take out those highs, then things are going to be looking very good, and there's a very good possibility that RXD could actually create new highs. So again, 1, 2, 3, right? You have your strong move to the upside, you have your retracement, you have your trend continuation, or you're going to get something like this and you're going to break the major retracement levels and get a reversal. So right now is a really good time to just demonstrate some patience and really look to see, all right, hey, for right now, things look like we're going to be heading down to the 618 retracement level. We got a bearish engulfing candlestick right here. All right. And that led to further downside right here. We have a bearish engulfing candlestick that could lead to more downside. So we really need to pay some close attention, watch these levels and see if we're able to hold them, then it could be possibly a good time to go long. Of course, using your own risk management and stop losses in place. So that way you don't blow your accounts up. Now this video in fact was a viewer request. So if you have any requests of your own and you want to see your cryptocurrency in the next video, all you have to do is comment down below and you can get a nice detailed analysis such as the one I gave in this video today, really highlighting any patterns that we see on the chart, the major retracement levels, any breakout levels to the upside or breakout levels to the downside if things are looking more bearish. And I'd be happy to do that for you as soon as I can. Okay, so smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment down below.